What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I am in Ogbunike Cave in Oyi local government in Anambra State, and today I'm going to show you guys how Ogbunike Cave looks like as of 2020. You know, that Ogbunike Cave you've seen before, maybe in television or maybe online, and that Ogbunike Cave you've been before, you know. So I'm going to show you like how exactly Ogbunike Cave looks like and the history behind Ogbunike Cave. And I hope you guys enjoy this one. So guys, let's go.
So guys, this is the entrance of the cave. So we're about to get down the stairs. But Fuge, on the gas and step out, they deserve.
That's not 400 and you ain't gonna go nuts.
400.
Ever mountain Zion, the banana leak. You pull it back at time, I told you, go pull out you, compare you, Mikey, wow, Kira fever, yati, you could have been silent by his eye, you whoop on it, and started to sign it like that gave on them. This is hilly water, very shale and enough tested. You can test.
And tested and trusted.
Tested now what I'm talking about. Tested and trusted. How do you see the water?
How do you wash up?
Very nice.
How do you get to your strawberry?
Nothing like a straw. More weak, that's allowed by that boy never.
Okay guys, right now we're about to go deep inside the cave, and we were told by the tour guide that we should remove our shoes, that you can't go, you can't walk into the cave without with a shoe on or a slippers on. You have to go barefoot.
Time for enter the cave. Careful. Got to Eboh Palace.
Which Eboh?
Eboh Ogbunike. Eboh Bayerala of Ogbunike. This one go to his house directly. In Palo on Ano. We're back on map. There this one. This one go to Town Hall Ogbunike. This one go to Town Hall Ogbunike. If you miss, it will ring for us that somebody is missing inside this cave.
What's going to ring for you guys?
We get the oracle for up.
They will inform you guys.
Yes.
Someone is lost inside.
Then when we just come to this way.
Our technology.
Yeah. When we come to this way now, we carry that unsu. I will answer at the end of 1, 2, 3, 4. I have you and so I have a phone. All the back here, no. I just buy a more time.
Somebody in a shoe, I gave her.
Yeah, a guy, my put that give us son Nazu. If we had ever, what up born on this year. When Shoba Kaibo had the best of Nigeria, that time was missing. You see, the army, you ever want to put a guy there, he back rifle. Go in and carry it, nobody can figure in. Cable be an edge. Ever if we ever, Beba na roll on the Obanja, the millie. If you don't know to, nobody they stop. But here back, I want you. Yes, huh?
And I use the pigeon. I pick up mother.
I like the pigeon at that driver.
Okay.
I like the pigeon. The milk you were wild. I don't know all. But I won't go boy. I do. I wear a milk. Put out to live.
I'm so going to boutique.
Oh, you can't body get your music. What do I have? Oh, God, I pull out. What?
Nice, okay, was here and here.
Ogada abịara ebe a, o wete be mụnwa.
Asị gị na ihu eme gị. Ajụ aga ajụza.
Ọ na-efe ya na-ebu ụmụ alụrụ. Ọ na-egbu ole ọya ya anago na sie ike. Come back. Now go. Move in. Move in. This way. Yeah, it's called toll gate. I know that when we are here now, 5 p.m. everywhere we close, and we will stay here till 5 a.m. in the morning. This is the called toll gate. Nothing that happened, bros. I'm with you.
I think you're coming to them now.
Forget it now. I'm not gonna get it.
Oh, you're so handy. What's the name for
Well,
you?
let's
go, let's go.
Ebe wọn aga. Una ojo hamjo. Ebe aka na agwọ ndị ifo pad ni na you sure of them there? Okay, ja to ndị mmiri aja, mmiri gara aja.
Feeling white stand.
Wala vile white ya river. All about the either. So now our journey take over.
Okay, we are going back now.
No, master.
Slowly, slowly.
Na igwe akwa mama abịa here.
You cannot hear me like this. You cannot mama wey you make. Oya gege uche ke won lo mo. God damn it. Nas na I'm boom drug. Alright, let's go.
Che kan na puta na.
Kendo.
E fo na di.
Ke fe gno ku. Ata gi buwe.
We na ga.
Oya na ga. Alright, guys, here for. Shit.
Na guy. I must come with Zuka na car.
Na guy.
That will go the real adventure.
Come now, what? So you and go ni go sigo ni no na eme. Hey. Guy. So
So guys, right now we're already done from the cave. Now we are heading to the river called the Eboh River. So let's see how the Eboh River looks like. So there's waterfall here.
Yeah.
Can people go there?
No, this way. Direct to waterfall. Either we are in Eboh, but only by Eboh. What's the now? But I can give you back for the map where you were by Jaipa, say, but I'm with media. I want to make it out. In Jaipan, best in that, don't put more for you. If you don't put them, go run for you. Me, that will not food for me, I give it to you.
I'm going to go over there.
Oh, you're there. Oh, you're the same, we have never had here and whatever. Probably boy over there, I care something.
oh no, na boyo.
That's what I was talking about. Man, media get that. Media. Got there about 5 hours. It's going cigar. It's going lighter. Mbasa cigar. We actually see the media. What a quality for or they're lucky for media. Emma, if I hear in Joshua with media, careful girl on media. Man, like that. Say back, back by the cave direct today. Just never say pass. I had the should ever. This is the one cave. School like media matter. If I hear it, why does I know what I want inside the river? I it's time. I want to buy for.
So guys, we were told there is a confluence here. Two water join together. This one now is flowing from the cave, while this one is flowing from the waterfall. So this one is more hotter. This one is more warmer. I think you guys can see the difference. See my leg, see the difference. You see the color. This one is more lighter, this one is darker. So the lighter color one is more warmer, while the darker one is more cooler.
Yo guys, so the video has come to an end and I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. And if you do, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And what do I think about this Ogbunike cave compare with Orezukala cave? Because after the video I did about Orezukala cave and whatever, some people were telling me that I'm wrong, that Ogbunike cave is more bigger and more longer. In my own opinion, they're all like good in their own, beautiful in their own unique way. So that's all I can say. That's my opinion on both caves. So guys, I hope you guys stay safe wherever you're watching from. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. One Nekodi.